Hello, my name is Edward Louis Baptiste, and I'm studying business management for about 2 years now. And one of the challenge in this program is to know how to start your business properly. So I will show you a website that will help you with that. It's called Innovation ISEDISD.canada.ca. So first you see the Canadian flag on the top of the screen, top left, and you can see in big here, grow your business. So basically what you have to do is write where you live, the province, Quebec. What I need the most, let's say, expert advice. Okay, and my main goal is start or buy a business. So we're in the business of what type of business I want to have is, let's say, manufacturing, and more specifically textile and clothing. So it's a purely, let's say, Canadian owned business. We're 10 employees strong, not incorporate, and for profit. Now let's see my matches. So yeah, this is everything I write. So my expert advice, there's 12 results. Strength your position here. Let's take the top left one. Find government program and services, report, and information resources that are tailored to meet your business needs. Get the details. So here, now you have all the information you need to grow your business. And here, there's other advices. Montreal Innovation Hub. Or what you can do is go here, find the results, and or if you want, you can go to partnering and collaboration. Alone may be faster. So they tell me that it will be better if I go alone because it will be faster than if I had to do a partnership with someone. But they still give me something that I could partner with. So this is basically how the websites work. You can also choose other type of businesses, but for myself it was clothing business, so they gave me advice that was related to what I wanted to do. So that's it.